guys, it's Casey from Coding Kit, and today I am going to talk to you about the brand new MacBook Pro. It features all sorts of cool things like the brand new True Tone technology Apple brought from their iPads and iPhones to the MacBook, and all sorts of cool stuff. And So we're back, and I'm going to talk to you about these brand new MacBook Pros. So these brand new MacBook Pros include all sorts of cool new stuff, and these are not these haven't been in any event. They're only really in a website refresh, and Apple added a few more things in the website refresh. They changed up their website a little bit, but the most important thing was the new MacBook Pros. So these new MacBook Pros include all sorts of new stuff. So the first thing, the designs stay the same, but a big complaint about the MacBook Pros are the keyboards. They're very, very, very low key travel, and if you use a Macbook keyboard too, which is the keyboard that comes with most newer iMacs, it's even lower key travel than that. Except in these very low keys, a lot of dirt and even one little thing of dust gets stuck in it, your key will be out. Down. Regular scissor switches, you press it down in the middle and it works. And it crumbles and it goes down like this. And when you have a mechanism like this, these sides right here, if there's dirt stuck in it, the key won't work. So that's a really big thing about it. But as laptops get thinner, it's more important to have thinner keyboards. Another big thing is the True Tone display. And True Tone display is something newer iPhones have had and iPad Pro users have had, and it's a thing where it adjusts the ambient colors, the display, and the brightness to match whatever environment you're in. And this is a good upgrade. It really, even if you have the same display, it increases how good the display looks. And the display is already good on the MacBook Pro, really good. Another thing are the CPU. This is a huge CPU boost. So before the 13-inch MacBook Pro, you could not get a quad-core CPU. That's why many pros went to get a 15-inch bigger MacBook Pro, which was heavier, harder, and just bigger. And now the 13-inch MacBook Pro now has a quad-core processor, quad-core i7, which is even more powerful and even better for pro use. But then on the 15-inch side, it's been blown out of expectations. It has a 6-core i9, and it's fast at everything. And the RAM on the 15-inch has been boosted from 16 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. This is a huge bump, and it's twice the size of the other things. Also, the storage has gotten a big bump. So before, the most you can get it on the 13-inch MacBook Pro was 2 terabytes of storage, and 1 terabyte on the 13-inch MacBook Pro, and the most you can get on the 15-inch was 2 terabytes. Now they've doubled that, and you can get 4 terabytes of NVMe SSD storage on the MacBook Pro. It includes all sorts of new performance boosts, including a faster fingerprint reader on it, and this new butterfly keyboard mechanism is said to be better than other mechanisms. And so these are some of the amazing features of the MacBook Pro, and thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe and let a comment down below if you have any comments or anything about the MacBook Pro or any questions that I'll be happy to answer. And be sure to give a like if you like the video, and check out my website and check out my new HomePod video that's coming soon. Thank you and bye.